Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to crop a video on TikTok. So let's begin right away. So don't worry if you are using an iOS device or an Android device, since I will be teaching two ways in cropping a video for TikTok. So since TikTok still doesn't have an option in which you can crop a video using the app, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So if you are using iOS device, you just simply go to Photos and then look for the video that you want to crop. If you want to crop this specific video, for example, I'll choose this one. Just simply click on Edit found on the upper right corner and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you may be able to see the toolbar section right here. So on the bottom part, make sure to click on the very last option, which is this one, and then it's um, basically do is that it will crop your video. So you may choose the aspect ratio right here. So I would suggest you would choose the landscape one, which is this one, and choose the 9:16 ratio, just like that one. And then you may also increase it if you want to. You may go back to original or etc. And then let's say, for example, that you are done with it. You just simply click on done on the lower right corner. And then, as you can see, the video now has been cropped. And let's proceed. If you are using an Android device, you may use the app called CapCut. So CapCut with this logo. So go to your Google Play Store, download this app. This app is completely free, and then simply open it, go to new project, choose the video that you want. So I'll just simply choose this one. Click on add on the lower right corner. So once you are here on the timeline or on the editor, just simply click on the clip or the video. So again, make sure to click on the video so that you may be able to see the crop option or the edit option. So click on edit right here and then click on crop. And then again, I would suggest you would use the 16:9 ratio so that whenever you upload on TikTok, it will not include the watermark. So choose whichever form that you want, click on the check mark once you are done, and then you may export it using the button right here on the upper right corner. So that's it. That's how you can crop a video on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.